Okay, so let's talk about this slime. Shit. Okay, so basically, I made this 3-4 months ago. It's really nasty right now. Okay. First, it was just a normal slime. I had used Crazy Art glue, baking soda, Crazy Art paint to color it, and contact solution. Yeah. Okay. And I didn't really like it, so I added some lotion and foaming soap. Made it fluffy slime, yeah. And then I added water and made it jiggly slime, like 2 days later, because I didn't like that either. And then, like, Christmas, which was 11 days ago, because it's January 6th today, I added these little foam balls. I'll go get the package really quick. It was these little things. It says craft foam beads, great for slime. I don't know what brand it is. Shows a bunch of slime on the packaging. Okay. And I added that like the day of Christmas when I got home from my dad's house, because yeah, my parents are separated. And I added those, and then I haven't touched it since, and it's been 11 days. And I had noticed it was separating, like, from the beads, and then there's just normal slime down there, and then just a water line. I kind of already messed with it a little bit. But, like, it's kind of, like, really sticky and disgusting, so, like, I wanted to, like, see how bad it was. Let's ruin this table. Okay, so it's, like, this slime, like, right here, without the beads in it. Separated, it's, like, super terry. That made no sense. You could kind of see the soap in it. When I go like this, I can see soap. And it smells weird, not like slime. It smells like toxic. Pretty great. It's like super, like, it's leaving like soap on the table. Like, the foam beads do not stick. I kind of actually got nails put on for the purpose of playing with my slime. Yeah. Overall, I kind of still like this slime. It's just, it's my only slime right now, because my other one got completely ruined. This seriously smells like gas. That's okay, you know, we can touch it, you know, we might die, but dying's okay. And then, so at first it was like runny, and now it's like super thick. Oh, that looks like a dick. Whoops, okay. Yeah, and now it's super thick. Okay, and yeah, this is how shitty my slime turns out. Oh, fuck you too. Okay. So, yeah. This is the mess of it. Yeah. I kind of don't know what else to add to fix it. Let me go get my computer. It's right here. I'm gonna look online and see what I should do, because, like, I'm dying. Yep, I'm gonna ruin this computer. What the fuck? Whoa. Okay. Well, nothing you can do about that. I guess I'll go back and can I switch the side camera? Let's see. It's not gonna work, but like I don't know if it's not gonna work. But it says, what do I do if the condom breaks? Trust me, I've never searched that up. Like, this is a school computer. Like, no thanks. Okay. So, this is my mess of a slime. Okay, so this is my first upload. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Put in the comment suggestion what else I should do, like for videos, ideas, because I've got none of those except for like running up on neighbor's porch and saying random things. Okay, but just do that and then hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications and follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Okay, thanks. Bye.